Hello everyone, my name is Melissa. Today we're going to be working in PowerPoint. I am going to show you how to add transitions into your slides. If you look at my screen, you'll notice I've just opened up PowerPoint on my computer. The first thing that we're going to do is just open a blank presentation. We're going to go ahead and create our own. I am going to add a few extra slides in here just so we can kind of see where we are when I show the presentation. I'm just going to add a few letters on each slide just so that when I do go through the transitions with you, you can tell what slide is what instead of just having them completely blank. The first thing I'm going to do is click on slide 1. If you look at your bar on the top, if you look at my cursor, there is a little spot that says transitions. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Right now we're on none. So if I go up here and I click on the presentation bar and I push my space bar, there doesn't really anything that happens in between each slides. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think about the type of presentation that I'm giving, and I'm going to kind of pick my transition between there. So the first one is the cut. You can kind of see it present itself when you click on it. We're going to click on the fade. You can see it fade in, push up, and it swipes over. This one splits in between the middle. And the reveal, I use the reveal a lot, especially for presentations that I have to talk during. So that's definitely a good one for me. The random bars, some of these are just kind of fun if you're giving a fun little presentation at work. There is this little bar here, it says row 1 of 5. If you click on it, there is going to be more that shows up. So there definitely is a lot to choose from. Some of these move faster than others. So if you're giving, a deep presentation, you definitely want to use something that's going to work for you. So I'm going to click curtains for my first one, just a fun one since we're just having fun with this. I'm going to go to slide 2 and I'm actually just going to pick a different one. So I'm going to go to page 3 on that. And Crush kind of brings it down. I'll click on 3 and I'm going to click on a different one. I'll do the ripple for this one. Click on that one, and then I'm going to click on slide 4. I'm just going to do split for this one so we can do something on page 1. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on transition. Now you'll see that the curtain is what opens my first slide. If I click the space bar, it's going to go to the next one. And my transitions are working from there. So the nice thing is we added the letters just so you can kind of see it. That last one at the end, you saw that it swiped. So that is how you add transitions. Again, be careful on the transition you choose depending on the different presentations you're giving. There also is effect options. You can kind of make them go in and out. I click split so I can kind of do the horizontal and I can split different ways. So definitely is worth playing with before you give different presentations to see how long it does take you and see if you need to talk in between each of them. But that is how you add slides on your PowerPoint.